In 1977, NASA launched two space probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, on a mission that would take them farther than anything humanity had ever built. Their goal was to study the outer planets of our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And they did. They revealed massive storms on Jupiter, the intricate rings of Saturn, and mysterious new moons that no telescope on Earth had ever seen. But hidden aboard each spacecraft was something unexpected, something not for science, but for meaning. A 12-inch gold-plated copper disc attached to the body of the spacecraft. It's called the Golden Record, a message to whoever, or whatever, might one day find it. The Golden Record is not just a collection of sounds and images. It is a portrait of life on Earth, a time capsule designed to tell the story of our world to beings we have never met. It contains greetings in 55 human languages, from ancient Sumerian to modern English. It features music from around the globe, classical symphonies, tribal chants, and traditional songs from many cultures. It also includes natural sounds, wind, rain, ocean waves, and the cries of animals. There is a recording of a human heartbeat, the brainwaves of a woman in love, a kiss. The record holds 116 photographs, showing life on Earth, people eating, working, learning, laughing. It also contains scientific diagrams, mathematical formulas, and the structure of DNA, messages meant to communicate who we are, what we understand, and how we live. But why send this message? The odds of it ever being found are incredibly small. The vastness of space is beyond comprehension. Voyager is just a speck in an ocean of stars. So why include this record? Carl Sagan, who led the team that created it, believed the gesture itself was powerful. He called it a bottle launched into the cosmic ocean. He knew the chances were slim, but he also knew that hope, curiosity, and the desire to connect are deeply human. Today, Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles from Earth. It is the most distant object we have ever created. It has entered interstellar space, where the sun's influence grows weak and only the stars remain. Voyager 2 is following on its own path. Both spacecraft are still active, sending faint signals back to Earth, across a gulf so vast that each message takes over 20 hours to reach us. Eventually, the power will fail. The instruments will shut down. The Voyagers will go silent. But the Golden Record will continue to drift, perhaps for a billion years, waiting in silence. It may never be found, but it exists. And that matters, because the record is not just a message to aliens. It's a mirror of humanity. It says, we lived, we dreamed, we reached for the stars, and inscribed on its surface, a simple line that echoes across time. To the makers of music, all worlds, all times.